Hello everybody, my name is Omar Fisher and this is my final project for CS50's Introduction to Python. My program is called Windrose. What Windrose does is it gives advice to the user on which windows to open in their homes to achieve the most optimum airflow ventilation based on the current winds. The core idea is to change degrees into sectors. We can convert them into 8 different sectors of 45 degrees each to represent a cardinal direction. After that, we calculate the circular distance between the window and the wind. 0 means that the window faces the wind head on, and 4 means that the window is directly opposite. So by scoring each window like this, we can say where the wind is coming from and where the wind is leaving from. So we can give advice on which windows to open for inlets and which windows to open for outlets. It uses this algorithm over here to calculate, to give a score to each window. All right, let's run the program and let me show you how it works. Let's run Python of project.py. So the program is going to ask me if I want to input the coordinates or to search by the city. So I could import the coordinate myself, and if I end up writing something that is not um, that's bad input, it'll ask me to re-input again. So you can search by coordinates, or you can search by the city if you don't really know the coordinates. So here I'm going to search for my city. It's called Mecca because there's more than one Mecca around the world. So it's giving me some options here, some selections. So again, if I choose the wrong selection, it'll tell me, nope, you have to choose a number from 1 to 2. So let's select 1 because that's where I'm from, over here. Okay, so it says here wind direction. Which direction do your windows face? So I have windows on the north side, the east side, the south side, and on the west side as well. After that, it returns to me my city. It's called Mecca. The wind direction is 352 degrees, so the winds are coming from the north. So basically, they're coming from the north at 9.6 kilometers an hour. So here's the advice that it's given me. It's telling me to open the north-facing window to let the air in, and open the south-facing window for the air to flow out. And I'll show you a quick demonstration. Okay, so this is my north-facing window. Over here. I have a south-facing window as well. That's open, so now with the wind coming in from the north and the south windows are open, airflow is coming from the north and being sucked out, or the outlet, or exhausted from towards the south. So this is air coming in through the north.